Hey there, PDF enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech tutorials simple and straightforward. Today, we're tackling how to bookmark in Adobe Reader 2025. If you're drowning in digital documents, bookmarking is a game changer. It lets you quickly jump to key sections in your PDFs, saving you tons of time. Whether you're a student reviewing notes or a professional managing reports, this feature is a must-know. First things first, make sure you have Adobe Reader 2025 installed on your device. You can download it for free from the official Adobe website if you haven't already. Once that's sorted, open Adobe Reader and load the PDF file you want to work with. It's as easy as double-clicking the file or going to File, Open. Now, let's get to the fun part. On the left side of the interface, look for the Bookmarks panel. If it's not visible, click on the View menu at the top, hover over Show, Hide, and select Navigation Panes, then check Bookmarks. This panel is where all the magic happens. To add a bookmark, simply navigate to the page or section you want to mark in your PDF. Right-click in the Bookmarks panel and select New Bookmark, or use the shortcut if available. Give your bookmark a clear, descriptive name, like Chapter 1 Introduction, so it's easy to find later. Once you've added bookmarks, you can organize them by dragging and dropping to reorder, or even nest them under subfolders for better structure. Adobe Reader 2025 makes this super intuitive, so play around with it to keep your documents tidy. To use your bookmarks, just click on one in the panel, and you'll instantly jump to that spot in the PDF. It's perfect for quick reference. One quick tip. If you're working with a large file, consider exporting your bookmarks or syncing them across devices for seamless access. And there you have it. Bookmarking in Adobe Reader 2025 is now your new best friend. Try it out on your next PDF and see how it streamlines your workflow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.